years old and he's going to be walking with his cane, but he's going to pull off the dolphin move.
Mom.
Okay. I think you have to pass the gay mark. You're just...
Yeah, I'm from the 60s.
He's from the 60s. Did you just see what he did?
Listen, if you put me on film, it best not end up on Facebook, because I ain't going to comb my hair today or put my clothes on.
Jason's having a field day.
I know he was.
Duke, that's the better team.
Oh, yeah, that reminds me.
Oh yeah. Gotta cover up some Duke stickers. It's got some Duke stickers on that car. There.